What are the best investing books for beginners? Plus a bonus, what are the best day trading books for beginners? For the best investing books for beginners, we're going to look to the legendary Warren Buffett, one of the best investors in the world, for his advice.
5 books Warren Buffett says you need to read. Buffett is well known for spending up to 6 hours each day reading. When he first started his profession as an investor, he read 600, 700, and even 1,000 pages each day, and he regularly recommends that we read 500 pages per day. When it comes to reading, you can count on finding these jewels on Buffett's bookshelves because they were his personal recommendations over the years. Here are 5 books Warren Buffett says you need to read. 1. The Intelligent Investor. Only Warren Buffett's words can do credit to The Intelligent Investor. Buffett writes in the preface to the 4th edition of the book, "When I was 19 years old, I read the first version of this book. It was, in my opinion, the best book on investing ever written at the time. It's still my opinion." He emphasizes that sound investing just necessitates the correct mental framework for decision-making. He concludes that the intelligent investor prescribes the proper framework accurately and clearly. 2. Warren Buffett's Ground Rules. Words of wisdom from the partnership letters of the world's greatest investor. Jeremy C. Miller, an author and financial consultant, does an excellent job of studying and extracting the finest of Warren Buffett's investment ground principles from letters Buffett addressed to his partners between 1956 and 1970. In his 2015 annual letter, Buffett commended Warren Buffett's ground rules, saying, "If you are captivated by investment theory and practice, you will appreciate this book." 3. Poor Charlie's Almanac. The Wit and Wisdom of Charles T. Munger. This 512-page encyclopedic collection of Munger's own wisdom, edited by Peter D. Kaufman, provides readers and ardent followers of Buffett's longtime business partner at Berkshire Hathaway with a treasure trove of lectures, lessons, insights, references, and personal experiences. In a 2010 shareholder letter, Buffett joked, "Just get a copy and take it about. It will make you look urbane and educated." 4. Security Analysis. Buffett had the good fortune to have Benjamin Graham and David Dodd as teachers at Columbia University. He doesn't waste any time in admitting that the book and the men transformed my life together. He goes on to claim that if that isn't enough credit, they drew out an investment roadmap that I've been following for the past 57 years. There was no reason to look for someone else. 5. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits and Other Writings. This masterpiece was written by Philip Fisher, one of the most famous investors of all time, in 1958. Many modern investors, including Warren Buffett, follow his investment principles, which are often considered as gospel. The author's own son, Ken Fisher, is an investment guru in his own right, and his views are included in the updated edition. Buffett expresses his support for the book by saying, "After reading his book Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, I sought out Phil Fisher. With a complete grasp of the firm gained through Phil's techniques, one may make wise investment decisions."
What are the best day trading books for beginners? I spent hours researching the whole internet to find the best day trading books, and I've even read some of them myself.
Top 5 day trading books for beginners. Interactive Day Trading, Ultimate Trading Guide. Interactive Day Trading, Ultimate Trading Guide is a day trading book that covers everything from getting started, technical trading, indicators, company fundamentals, various ways of finding stocks, and a step-by-step trading checklist to help you minimize loss. It also includes a video course and quizzes to help traders master each concept. This book is unique because it includes a lot of visuals, is written in layman terms, and includes a video course where the author explains each topic in depth. What I liked about this book was that instead of a long list of information, the author gives actionable strategies. A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online by Tony Turner, a popular educator in the financial industry. With over 14 years of experience in the trading field, Tony Turner has compiled a great guide to day trading that offers beginners all the tools they need to better understand the market. She talks about all the available strategies that can be used by beginners, while also tapping into her own experience, depicting how unprofitable her early trading days were. This instills a welcome degree of confidence in many beginner day traders. An added bonus for many of the readers out there is that she understands and highlights the psychological complexity behind day trading. Her simple and unambiguous writing style helps readers avoid many of the most common mistakes out there and points out to certain moves that can be too risky for the attached reward. All in all, This is another great book that you can't do without if you intend to explore the complexities of day trading. How to day trade for a living. The author himself, Andrew Aziz, begins by telling his own trading story, one that can be relatable to many fresh day traders out there. In his very first days of trading, Aziz got lucky with a pharmaceutical product that earned him $6,000 in a matter of minutes. Soon after, he managed to lose it all, since he did not yet have the necessary knowledge to sustain other, more calculated investments. He thus uses his own story as a cautionary tale for those who are just starting out with day trading and who may not yet understand that day trading is more than gambling or a mere hobby, but an actual job that can return considerable profits. Aziz has a very concise and accessible writing style that makes this book a super helpful and easy-to-follow beginner's guide to day trading. His candor and willingness to help day traders jumpstart their trading careers are actually checked and proven by the many 5-star reviews that claim Aziz's book to be a reference study in the field of day trading for many years to come. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets, a comprehensive guide to trading methods and applications by John J. Murphy. This landmark bestseller was written in 1999 but is still a top seller on Amazon. This easy-to-comprehend reference guide goes deep into technical analysis and trading theory and includes charts and graphs to illustrate its points. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets teaches you how to read charts and the importance of technical analysis, and covers candlestick charting, intermarket relationships, and stock rotation. The author offers a study guide that includes quizzes to help you understand and digest the information. Start day trading now. A quick and easy introduction to making money while managing your risk, Mitchell Sincere. Written from the perspective of an experienced trader, this book centers on technical analysis and also offers some invaluable money management lessons. It initially centers on charts, patterns, and indicators. You'll then be walked through the practicalities of making your first trade. You also benefit of hearing from interviews with experienced traders, hopefully enabling you to avoid any of the pitfalls they fell down at. Plus, at less than 200 pages, this book is an easily digestible read for the aspiring trader.
Thank you very much for watching What Are the Best Investing Books for Beginners, and with that bonus, What Are the Best Day Trading Books for Beginners. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.